everybody, welcome back to the Tamiya TC-01 Formula E kit build series. As you saw in the previous video, I took the TC-01 out on the track to see what it drove like right out of the box. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description and I'll also put it in this corner right here. So my first impression of the TC-01 on the track is that it handles pretty good right out of the box. But what I did notice, it was kind of slow on the straightaway. That could be due to a number of reasons. Remember, I have the Just Stock ESC and the Reedy Sonic 540 FT 17.5 motor in there. I went back to the manual to find the kit came with a 24-tooth pinion gear at a 6.5621 gear ratio. So before I make any drastic changes to improve the speed, I thought I'll try out swapping out for a 28-tooth pinion gear. So that's what I'm going to do today. Then afterwards, I'm going to take it back out to the track to see how it does. I'm really glad I decided to solder it this way. I'll save that for another build.